Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit differently. We're going to be doing a product review for you, and it is going to be unedited, so we're going to fly raw with this. You're going to get the real deal here. It's an unsolicited review, and what I mean by that was I didn't have any intention of doing this initially, and I'll kind of tell you how it came about. We're going to be reviewing the Barehand Gloves by Raw Gear. Phenomenal set of gloves, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But I reached out to the company as they had not yet had this cool new green color. And seeing as I like to be matchy at the gym, much to my wife's demise, I wanted to have all the gloves in all the colors like I do with everything else. So I reached out to the company and they must have looked at my purchase history and said, "You've been a great loyal customer and we are going to send you a pair of gloves free of charge." So I said, "Wow, thank you very much. And in kind, I will return the favor and do a review on the gloves." And then they went one further and said, "Well, we will do you one better. We'll make you an affiliate for Barehand Gloves and give you a coupon code," which of course I will put the link in the description below, so you can get a nice discount on a pair for yourself. They do offer a 45-day, I believe, money-back guarantee. So you get to try them, make sure that you love them, make sure that the fit is proper, and I guarantee you, you will not likely want to part with them. So they are a patented type of glove. Now, I've been training for well over 40 years now, and in that 40 years, I have tried just about every iteration of hand covering possible. I hate to have the nasty calluses across the back of the knuckles there, where you always get them from grabbing the weights and grabbing the dumbbells, and it's really a pain in the ass, especially if you have sensitive skin, like apparently I do. So I have tried the gloves that are covering your entire palm and the back of your hand. I've tried iterations of the wrist straps that have the covering over the palm, so you can also use them as a lifting grip. I found those a little bit cumbersome. So essentially I've tried just about every type of glove possible. I've even gone for periods of time with no gloves, got my hands chewed up and calloused as a result. And then I stumbled across these Barehand gloves. Now, so they advertise these as a minimalistic type of design. And what they mean by that is there is very little thickness to this glove. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll zoom in a little bit. It is very thin, yet durable leather. Very thin on the backing, stretchable kind of nylon type durable fabric. And the reason they call it Barehand, because essentially it's like you're not even wearing a glove at all, yet it covers the parts of your hand that are most vulnerable to getting calloused. And not only does it do that, as you can see, it covers up the part of your palm, it drastically increases your grip on the bar, so there's no slippage in between there. And because it's very thin, like I said, it's like you're not wearing a glove whatsoever. It's not cumbersome, it's not hot, it molds to your hand very nicely. What you do have to do is, when you order them, you have to measure the distance across your palm. And based on that measurement, it gauges the size. You'll see a size chart when you go to order, and you order the appropriate size for your hand. Excellent for both men and women. And like I said, you've got improved grip strength, you've got good coverage where it needs to be, where you're gripping the bar. I find if you're not wearing any type of glove, your hands can tend to slip off the bar a little bit easier, especially if you get a little bit sweaty. With these, that entirely reduces that altogether. The price of them is right. Now, there are a ton of knockoffs on these. And I have to admit that I fell victim to purchasing some knockoffs on Amazon. I think they were roughly about half the price, and they were crap. They fell apart within the first month, and you could tell they were a thicker design. They felt very cumbersome. They didn't have the very thin, you know, you really can't begin to appreciate these gloves until you've worn them for a while. They do take a few workouts to kind of wear in and, you know, form to your hand, but once they're worn in, they are an absolute fabulous pair of gloves. I would highly, highly recommend them. Great for grip strength, great for protecting the skin. The only complaint that I have, and it's not really much of a complaint, is sometimes you have to snug them up a little bit. And I don't know if that's just due to the size of my hands being so huge, but sometimes in between sets or something, I have to tug them up a little bit. And getting them off, it takes a little bit of work. It's not a huge deal. Like I said, it's barely a complaint, if at all, but really that's the only negative thing I can say about them. But once they come on, store them in your gym bag. They come in a variety of colors. If you're interested in them, I urge you to check out their website. Put the link on the screen, put the discount code below. As always, thank you for supporting the channel. Awesome pair of gloves, 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs up, Gazy Fitness approved. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.